right, y'all, back at the river again today. We're gonna try something a little different. We brought one of the small kayaks, just easy to carry. It's like 60 pounds, 57 pounds. Of course, we got the kayak cart strapped on it. We got maybe a half a mile to drag it in, not too far. Hopefully we can hook into something big. Hopefully the river's not running too fast. This is not a fast water kayak. I'm kind of worried about hitting rocks and stuff, being pushed downstream. It flips easy when you hit rocks. Hopefully the water's not running that fast, but let's get down there and find out. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to launch from out of here. It shouldn't be too bad. We'll find out. That's not what we wanted. Alright, y'all, that's tethered in. Shouldn't be going anywhere. We should be able to reach our gear in the front. Alright, let's launch. Wallet. Oh, that's good. All right, y'all, hopefully we can shoot down through there. Big rocks. Not what we wanted. We don't want to get on top of these rocks. All right, y'all, I've been wanting to bring the kayak out here for a long time. Current's not too bad. Still have to keep a watch out for rocks coming up underneath of us and tree stumps, stuff like that. I don't want to get flipped. I'm out here in the deep part of the river. I couldn't tell you how deep it is right now. We'll find out in just a minute. If I had to guess, we're probably 12, 15 feet right here. But let's see if we can catch us a brim and get him out there and hook up on something. Look at the dark color of that little bass right there. We're gonna let him go. We ain't gonna use him as bait. Ooh, that's a nice one there. Nice sunfish. That's a big boy. He's too big. I'm gonna let him go. We ain't gonna use him as bait. All right, y'all. Trying to keep an eye out for an alligator. Last 3 times I've been down here fishing from the bank, I've seen about a 6 to 8 foot alligator. I'm pretty sure the camera just picked it up, had something bump the bottom of the kayak. It was just a turtle, but I've never had a turtle bump me, so made me a little nervous. But just keeping an eye out. You may see some rapid head movements. I got the GoPro mounted to my head on my hat. Hopefully we don't make you sick by doing that. Just trying to keep an eye out, like I said, trying to be safe. Let's get back to fishing. All right, I think we got us a piece of bait. He's gonna be, as long as we don't lose him. All right, we're gonna dispatch him. Maybe. A big old alligator snapping turtle. All right, y'all, throwing out a brim head. All right, trying to get the camera plugged in, and we hooked up. Let's try this again. All right, y'all, I believe we could have a really good day out here if I would quit putting time restraints on my days. I come out here after work. So far, we've gotten 2 nice sunfish, smallmouth bass. Something did just pick up our bait, our cut bait. I ended up cutting that last bluegill up. Sunfish, sorry, I need to learn the names of the fish. I'll do that before I come back out. Probably still get them wrong, but that's just all part of me. Like I said, still got a bait out. Ain't got much time. I got to get off the water. I still got to navigate through them little small rapids over there. I don't like it doing that. First time I've ever even been out here in my kayak. I do like the fishing part of it so far. It's been fun. Have to come back out here on a day I don't work, give it a lot more time. Ain't got but about 10 more minutes to let this bait soak. Hopefully we'll hook up, but if not, we'll be heading out. All right, y'all, that was a lot of effort, a lot of physical effort to get that kayak to where we needed to be to put in and to get it back. You could say it really didn't pay off, but I kind of take blame for that. We was only out there an hour. Thought we'd have more time. Trying to get everything unloaded, I had to stop and get red worms. Say I kind of put a time restraint on that thing. Had to be off the water before it got too dark. I think it could have turned out a lot better. We will give it another shot on a day I got more time, but I'm not complaining. Got a little bit of exercise in today. Caught a bass, which is rare in my world. I'm not a very good fisherman, but I'm an extra bad bass fisherman. We're gonna start doing a little bit more bass fishing in the videos, and just catching them big bluegill or sunfish. That's pretty fun. Light tackle, red worms. Probably not need to start using some artificial just to change things up. I'm just old school. I find something that works and I stick with it. Like I say, I don't know how well you can see me. We still got a little bit of light. It's still daylight. You can see it over that way. I am glad we got off the water when we did. Strapping this kayak to that cart is a pain in the butthole. But anyways, sorry it wasn't much of a video. Sorry I got the camera like 6 inches from my mouth. But we're gonna load everything up in the truck, get to the house, shower, get something to eat. Wife's probably already in the bed. But anyways, it was fun. We'll do it again some other time. And check you later.